Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage camera settings in your device Realme GT5. In this device Realme GT5, I'll show you how you can do it. Before I start, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon. Watch complete video and learn how you can do it. Let's watch the video.